Sahil Sajan. स्वागत है आपका.
Thank you so much for having us.
Now, of course, I know that Azhar, you're the director of Casa Milano. Congratulations to you on the big news, Sahil. You've just been appointed director of Milano. आपके लिए ये बहुत ही scary moment रहा था या you have been preparing for it all your life?
I mean, I can say now I've been preparing it for 4 years now. I knew this was going to come and I'm so honored and blessed. I cannot complain for anything.
Well, okay, here's hoping that the legacy as well, you know, is going to be reflected with the both of you. So now I'm really hoping to get aap dono ka perspective on Dad. Okay, be honest as you can. Is Anis really one of those chilled out fathers, no stress, no yelling, no shouting, you know, friend to you?
You answered it.
Acha, okay, Sahil, come on.
Honestly, no, he's not a chilled out guy, no. I keep telling him like he's like an uncle only, like he tells himself that he's a cool father, no. I can give an example that I'm a boy, I'm a man who's like, I'm 23 years old. I go out at 8 p.m. I get a call at 9:30, where are you? So you get the gist.
Anis, you have a chance to defend yourself, please, come on.
No, I'll be lying if I say that I don't call him. It's just that I'm a little protective. He says I'm an old school uncle. I don't deny it. I might be old school uncle, but I can dare say if I walk out with him on a date with a girl, the girl will walk with me and leave me.
You ask personality, right? Personality. Looks wise, yeah, I can give it to him.
Azhar, what is your take on this? Dad is chilled out and friendly type of dad या मतलब disciplinarian है?
He plays both roles. जब मूड सही है तो अगर chilled out dad खेलना है तो 100% he is with me and you know for many years he's been doing that role because मम्मी के सामने it is important and then when it's the reverse जब मम्मी कुछ सुना रहे then my dad is chill.
क्रिकेट के मामले में डैड पर कौन गया ये बताओ.
Sahil Sajan.
Sahil Sajan. What do you mean when you say that? Azhar, what do you mean?
As I said it before, carbon copy. Both resemble each other in terms of emotion, you know, their physical looks, the way they speak, the way they talk, and of course, cricket had to be part of it as well. So they both love sports a lot. So I want to see one day an actual debate between Anis Sajan and Sahil Sajan, and I want to see who's going to win in cricket.
I like this thought. In fact, you know, next up on the show, we're going to be pitting all of you against each other, and it's going to be cricket related. So, आप तीनों में से बेहतर कौन जानता है क्रिकेट को? What do you have to say?
I think me for sure.
Yeah.
The three.
And who's the better player?
For sure.
He says it's him, but I say I'm also pretty
And
good.
also you.
Yeah.
Anis, what about you?
No,
I'll give it to them.
he is okay in playing.
So अब it's time इन तीनों को हमारे क्रिकेट के पिच पर उतारने की बारी आ चुकी है and we're going to see कि इनमें से सबसे ज्यादा competitive कौन है, वो go get a spirit किस में है और कौन है जो हमारे इस शो की ट्रॉफी जीत करके लेके जाएगा. Are you boys ready?
Absolutely.
All right, then let's go. Now the game is going to be tight and it's going to be close because it's a rapid fire ultimate cricket quiz. All right, so आपने जल्दी से हमें जवाब देने हैं. We're going to go through the rules with you, but before that, you know, Dad के पास एक suggestion, एक idea था, एक proposal था, which is if he wins, you know, what are you boys willing to lose to him? And I suggested that इन दोनों की शादी पक्की करा दो अगर आप जीत गए तो.
बिल्कुल.
Alright. Wedding card.
Let's fight for it. We'll fight for it.
What we have, the rules पहले आपको समझा देते हैं. Alright. We have 10 questions in this round. हर सही जवाब के आपको मिलेंगे 10 points and -5 for every incorrect answer. Now what's going to happen is आपके सामने buzzers भी हैं and अगर आप चाहें तो इन buzzers का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं for a very very special reason which is to claim a free hit. लेकिन you have to do that before I've asked my question. If you should choose to hit the buzzer and take the free hit, आपकी earnings या losses double हो जाएंगे. So you get 20 points or -10 for the wrong answer. All right. Remember, you can only use the free hit once out of the 10 questions. साथ के साथ कुछ सवालों के जवाब सही देने पर extra points भी मिलेंगे और कुछ सवालों के साथ bonus questions हैं which only get unlocked after you give us the correct answer. मेन चीज जो आपने अब नोटिस करनी है वो याद रखनी है वो ये है कि अब मैं आपके साथ जब फोटो क्यूज शेयर करूंगी सो आई विल गिव यू 10 seconds to give me the answer. उसके बाद में अगर मुझे लग रहा है you need help, I'm going to give you a hint. Hint ke baad, you only have 5 seconds to come up with the correct answer.
Okay.
All right. So photo cues mein do cricketers ke faces have been merged. All the very best to all three of you. आइए शुरू करते हैं the ultimate cricket quiz. On the count of 3, hands on your buzzers. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. कौन है ये दोनों cricketers?
Oh my god.
Even if you guess one is fine.
No.
दोनों
no.
for the points. And आपके 10 seconds. Yes, all right, Sahil.
Bumrah and Kohli.
That's a negative 5
Oh my
Sahil
gosh.
Sajan के लिए at the very go. This is not looking good, Sahil. सही जवाब था बुमराह और
Stark.
चलिए हमारा next photo cue please. कौन है? ये दोनों cricketers merged
Oh
into
my
one.
god.
Yep.
Can you give a hint?
Yes. Well, we wait for the 10-second mark and आपका hint है the 10,000 run club in tests. 5,
I have again one guy. No.
3,
इसमें भी minus है, right?
2, जी हाँ, 1.
I know one.
Please.
Border.
Go for. Come on, then.
I knew the second one.
Yeah.
I wanted to say, but I was very worried.
आपकी favorite.
Hello, no points.
No, so I didn't take.
When you said
No.
10,000
No
run club, I knew the
points.
second one.
Let's get the next one, please.
Oh my god.
This is a very tough pitch.
Huh, come on. Can we crack this one?
God.
Tough ones. Right. I thought I knew cricket left, right, and center.
चलिए, आपका hint है 360-degree brilliance. Yes, Sahil.
Babar and AB de Villiers.
I'll say
आप try करना चाहेंगे?
yes. Surya and AB de Villiers.
Okay, all right. And the correct answers are Surya and AB.
Oh my god. This is Babar, man.
Babar and 360. 80 degree नहीं मारता है तो 360 की बात कर रहे हैं.
Please, come on, you gotta go for the next one. अब आपके लिए जो next picture क्यों आने वाला है? This is a bowling action, alright? और आपने identify करना है ये किसका bowling action है. Just as soon as you know the answer, hit the buzzer and let's go for it. It's not that tough, guys. ये किसका बहुत ही मशहूर bowling action है.
क्यों?
A hint would be nice.
A hint would be nice. I agree, but it's not on my script.
Oh my god.
Okay, let us just look. We've lost 10 seconds.
Time up हो चुका है.
Strange.
Oh my
Harbhajan.
god.
Well, no,
I can't see
it's
the
not
picture.
supposed to look like Harbhajan
Yes,
Singh,
yeah.
but the bowling action is what you were supposed to focus on.
Correct.
Okay, this next one is getting more interesting now. It's got multiple points कमाने का मौका, so you can come back into positive, all simply by guessing as many of these cricketers by their nicknames. And Anis is going for it. There we go, Anis. G, start.
Biff is Botham. But the second one, Biffy is Botham.
Yes, correct.
The pigeon is Megrar.
Yes,
फिर क्या है? Caption Grumpy is Alan Border.
yes,
Was an impressive. फिर क्या है? Wall is Rahul Dravid.
yes.
और क्या बचा? The Biff.
कौन है? The Biff.
I don't know this. I'll be very honest. I don't know this.
You're on 20 points. You've played really, really well. एक आखिरी नाम वहाँ बचा है, which is the Biff. Grant Smith is that one.
Oh my god.
But
I
this
think-
is
I think
bad
you
for the
did.
boys because ये सारे पुराने चावल है तो बच्चों को क्या पता
It's
होगा?
okay.
Dravid was
I
I
knew
know
the wall.
Rahul Dravid,
The
yeah,
wall,
everyone
yeah.
knows the wall.
We know the
Everyone
wall.
knows the wall, right?
No problem.
चलिए, Dad Anis is, just sailing through it. This is looking very, very interesting. When we come back from this break, हमारे इस game को भी जारी रखेंगे, and this competitiveness between the sergeants, we're loving it. Do come back for more. Welcome back to Sensodyne Presents In the Spotlight Season 2 powered by Nair in association with Panadol Migraine. हमारी इस गेम में I think जो हमने expect किया था उससे ज़्यादा हमें देखने को मिल रही है competitiveness. Here are the final 5 questions now. आपके लिए एक animated clip play होगा and you're going to have to identify the batter, the bowler and the ground for the right number of points. Here we go. Sahil.
Bowler Haris Rauf. Batter Virat Kohli. MCG.
Absolutely right. Bang on. Beautifully played. I wish you had taken the free hit on this. आपके points double हो जाते.
Don't worry, I'll get it.
But yeah, Sahil, congratulations for your 10 points on that. You are now on 0.
Okay.
लेकिन good news is कि आपने unlock कर दिया है एक bonus question for another 10 points and no negative points at all. Here we go. How many runs did India need in the final over to win that game?
16.
Is that the correct answer?
God.
Yes, it is. And there you go. You're now at 10
Well
points.
done.
So he's at 10 now because
Yeah.
उनका negative 10 था. तो 20 points से ये आप positive 10 पर आ गए हैं,
Yeah.
plus 10 पर आ गए हैं, ठीक है? Okay, that was good, Sahil. Well done. You did make a comeback right there. अगला सवाल अब आपके लिए. What was Jasprit Bumrah's economy at the 2024 World Cup? Here are your options.
don't
You
know
don't
this.
even need them. सही जवाब, please, sir.
ये मैंने तुक्का खेला है
Oh.
और मुझे लगता है मैं गलती कर जाऊंगा, बट आई विल गो विथ 4.17 B.
4.17B और आपका तुक्का भी लगा है बिल्कुल निशाने पर. How did you do that?
Oh my God.
How did you do that?
I
It's
knew
an
this.
educated guess, right?
No, it was not a guess. I just said it for the sake of it. I knew it was 4.17 because still the earlier matches he was going at 3 point
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
In the second last match he went for runs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in the last match he was a game winner.
Yeah, absolutely.
World
And
Cup winner rather for India.
currently you're looking like the game winner to us. So you're at 40 points with that correct answer. Well done.
Nice, nice.
We are moving on to the final 3. Your question is, an Olympian and an Asian Games gold medalist. I also captained my side in 2 Ranji Trophy finals.
God.
Who am I? Options हैं PK Banerjee, B. Jarnail Singh, C. Chunni Goswami, or D. Peter Tangaraj. Yes, Anis.
Chunni Goswami.
The sahi jawab on the screen. Please, that
my
is
God.
absolutely correct.
I just saw the movie Maidan.
There you go.
I don't know this.
But I
No?
again can't blame the boys. This was a movie. I just saw it randomly, and I
Hanji.
remember the Chunni Goswami, an Asian gold medalist.
Aapka next sawal. Who recently smashed the fastest double century in women's test cricket?
Need option.
Please,
Come on.
there are no options here. It's too easy, guys.
Oh my God.
Yes, Anis.
Shefali Verma.
ये क्या हुआ है? One sided game. आखिरी सवाल अब आपके लिए.
So I'm going to
Azhar,
go for it.
Make sure you're far away from the buzzer. Guess the match. Yes, I free hit.
Australia versus Pakistan. Oh my
I should
God.
have said no free hit.
I said I didn't.
I'm giving it to him as a free
Yeah.
hit. Take it, take it,
I know
take
this.
it.
Australia versus
Yeah.
Pakistan.
Yes, you're absolutely right. That is the correct answer. कौन सा वाला World Cup था? 2019.
2019.
Did you watch the match?
Yes, I did.
So
I
well
remember,
done, well
I remember who dropped the catch also.
Who did?
Asif Ali.
क्या बात है हमारे अपने साहिल making a fabulous comeback with that one.
Well done.
मैंने अपने साहिल अपने आसिफ नहीं ऐसा नहीं
lose.
जो ड्रॉप करके सारा कुछ हार करके जा रहे हैं. अब फाइनल स्कोर्स आर इन एंड जैसे कि एवरीबडी ऑलरेडी नोज अनीस आप जीत चुके हैं विद 60 पॉइंट्स. वेल डन, वेल आंसर्ड.
Well done.
साहिल क्या ही कमबैक किया है आपने. यूर एट 30 पॉइंट्स. वेरी वेल डन. और अजहर प्लीज रिटर्न योर बजर.
Yeah, I didn't give any wrong answers.
You sat there and told me that I'm better than the two of them. What did you mean by that?
At playing.
At playing the game. Much better. Chaliye, we will try that out as well.
Don't forget what we had decided that if Dad is going to win, what's going to happen?
There were some tough questions which you didn't know.
नहीं, but ये क्वेश्चंस मैंने नहीं बनाए थे, ये डायरेक्टर साहब ने बनाए थे.
Yeah, yeah.
So अब जो शर्त रखी थी वो पूरी करनी पड़ेगी कि अजहर बच्चे को अगले साल में
Yes.
Well done.
Good luck. Okay.
और उसी मंडप में आपकी मंगनी होगी.
Ah.
Okay.
All right. चलिए अब हमारे पास एक और गेम का टाइम है. So we're going to move on to the next one and it is called the one. आपको मैं सवाल पूछूंगी, आपको बिना सोचे समझे फटाफट मुझे जवाब देना है. And it's got to be a one word answer जहां तक possible है. All right. So I'm going to ask Anis, Azhar, Sahil.
Yes.
इस ऑर्डर में मूव करेंगे. सबसे पहला सवाल आपके लिए. It's got to be quick, without thinking, without blinking. Anis, what is the biggest trait of a successful entrepreneur?
Honesty.
Honesty. All right. Let's move to you, Azhar. What is the most important thing while building a brand?
Personality.
आपकी या brand की?
Oh no.
All right. Sahil, best medium to market the business?
For sure, social media.
All right.
Right now.
Anis, your perfect type of workout would be?
Yoga.
अच्छा जी, आप बताएं मुझे कि what is your least favorite type of workout?
Oh my God.
Yoga.
Basketball probably.
I thought you could have said yoga.
Sahil, what is this? E-sport, is it a waste of time या a thriving business opportunity?
Esport can be a thriving business opportunity.
All right, Q, why do you think so?
You can make money if you're good at the esport.
All right, if there's one thing or trait जो आप अपने बारे में बदल सकते, what would that be?
Time management.
What would that be, Azhar?
Time management, yes.
And Sahil?
Overthinking.
Ooh, okay, interesting. All right. ये टाइम मैनेजमेंट का क्या सीन है? आपको भी डांट पड़ती थी?
नहीं, आई वॉज ऑलवेज लेट फॉर वर्क।
हाँ।
वो जैसे ऋषि कपूर का गाना है कि मेरे जागने से पहले हायरी मेरी किस्मत सो जाती है, मैं देर नहीं करता देर हो जाती है। आई वॉज ऑलवेज लेट।
चलिए, नेक्स्ट सवाल आपके लिए। द मोस्ट एवरग्रीन स्पोर्ट्समैन ऑफ ऑल टाइम वुड बी
रॉजर फेडरर।
राइट। अजहर, who is the man, the best option to replace Rohit Sharma as the captain?
Hardik Pandya.
Okay, all right. साहिल, कौन सा फॉर्मेट है गेम का, क्रिकेट का, जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है?
Test cricket.
फैंटास्टिक। अब आप तीनों के लिए सेम